Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your music sound muffled in Capcut. Alright guys, here I have already created a project in Capcut and I have imported my music sound as well. So this is my music sound, and if you want to make this music sound muffled, we can tap on the music like this, and then we can tap on it again until this option appear on our screen. Then we can click on voice effect. Then we can click on retro option right here, and then there will be three options to make our music muffled. So you can click on megaphone, lo-fi, or final, and then I'm going to try it one by one, but before it I'm going to play the music first to show you the original music. So this is the original music, and then just tap on the megaphone to check the effect. So this is the megaphone effect, and this is for the lo-fi, and the third one is final. Okay, and I think the lo-fi or final is better, so for me I'm just going to select lo-fi. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to adjust the effect, you just need to click on this option, guys, so you can adjust the strength. And then for the final effect, you can adjust the strength and also the noise. And after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button. Okay. And alright guys, that's how we can make our music sound muffled in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.